Hi everyone, my name is Mia. I'm one of your TPI interns for this year, and today we're going to show you guys how to use Antalmanac to plan your schedule for the next quarter. So what you're first going to do is you're going to plan your winter 2025 schedule, and you can add as many schedules and options as you would like. So first we're going to look up our first class, which will be an education class. So if you type in School of Education, it'll come up with all of the classes within this school. And we're going to do Education 10, and so you just press the plus button to add it to your schedule, and it'll show you the instructor who's teaching it, the GPA of the class, the days that they meet, where they meet, as well as how many people are currently enrolled, and also if it has any restrictions. And also, if you click on the instructor, it will take you to Rate My Professor, and if you click on the place, it'll also take you to where the class is located. So once we have added this class, it'll show up on the Added tab. And as you keep adding more classes, it will add your units that you have. So we're going to go ahead and add another class, which would be from the art department. So we will be adding art 1B. So it shows up on our schedule like this. And as you can see, there are currently 7 people enrolled out of 160. So there's still enough space to add that. And then our last class will be BME. So we can take BME 3, and as you can see, there are many spots open. So we can add it to our schedule, and since that is an online class, it won't show up on our schedule, but once you go to added, it'll show up there. And then if you click on the numbers of the code for the classes, they will be copied to your clipboard, and you'll be able to paste them on WebReg, which will just make it easier for you to when you're enrolling in your classes. And that should be about it. And thank you for